In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a box in Warehance. So first step is from the dashboard on this left-hand menu, I'm going to click under Shipments to Boxes. And here you're going to see all of your existing boxes already in Warehance. So to add a box, I'm going to go to Add Box in the top right-hand corner. We're going to name this box. Let's say this is a 4 by 4 by 6 box. You can name this whatever you want. It could be a brand specific, whatever you want to be used in your warehouse. Barcode, so you can either click this little button and it will generate you a barcode, or you could scan the barcode if it's already on the box. The barcode is used at shipping time, so your packers can scan the barcode and it will automatically select the box. So just a little bit of a speed thing if you want to use it. In this case, I'm going to generate my barcode. You can always edit this later. And then I'm going to just put in my dimensions. Great, and then it's going to ask for the weight. I'm going to say 1.2 ounces, and then add shipping box. And there you go. You've just added your box into Warehance.